Miss, wait your turn. Miss.
Bob, you have to help me. You have to help me back. Do me, I beg you, please.
Okay, madam. What's your problem, madam?
No, just tell me how much time you have left. Tell me, give it to me straight.
What you mean? Tell me the symptoms, eh?
Then say me nails the palm fleek, me body up, and me ear a kick out.
Don't worry about it, madam. That's just how these young people talk. You see, what they're trying to say is that your nails look nice and trendy. Your body looks beautiful for a woman of your age. And of course, your hair looks nice. So what's the problem?
Then I look me down.
Oh, no.